Hi everyone, we're here at OBLU Select in the Maldives. We're on the beach. We're going to show you inside this family beach suite with a pool, and before we do, just going to show you this beautiful blue turquoise lagoon over here. Right, we'll take you inside. So here we are outside in their private garden here. You can see really nice infinity pool behind me. There's a sun deck here, a couple of sun lounges there, direct access to the beach obviously, and beautiful views out there. So as we go inside you can take a look at the views, and we'll take you through the living room into the master bedroom at the back. So here we are inside the lovely double bedroom. There's a window there with a nice seat looking outside. Big double bed here, office, TV, all the kind of normal facilities. We'll take you through now through the wardrobe area and into the bathroom. So here we are in the bathroom. We've just walked past the shower there and had a look at the lovely outdoor double bath in the corner. Here are his and hers basins. Behind me here is a toilet. As you can see, huge, lovely bathroom. Outdoor, indoor kind of vibes. There's palm trees swaying over there and a huge big shower in front of you. So we'll take you through now into the second bedroom of this villa. So here we are, this is the second bedroom, two lovely single beds here, TV, views out to the lagoon there which are beautiful, and in here is the second bathroom. I'll let you check that out and I'll meet you back outside on the veranda. So here we are, back outside, views of the lagoon there, and your own private pool. So we hope you enjoyed this tour. This is the beach suite, family beach suite, with a pool, obviously, at OBLU Select. So thanks for watching, see you next time.